Assalamualaikum. My name is Teacher Zemino. Today we are going to talk about chapter 9 in the name of Allah. So chapter 9 in the name of Allah. In the name of Allah Most High, Most Merciful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim is an iron verse of the Noble Quran. You will see that each surah of the Quran, except Surah 9, begin with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah's Messenger, Rasulullah said that we must start any good work with it. Bismillah. If we do, Allah will increase the good in that work and bless it. In the name of Allah, Allah is number one. Who's kind? Nyazo kind, Chinamu. Allah is Chinamu. Allah is, the reality of the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim is an ayah, verse of the Noble Quran. Allah is number one. Asad Utare. The ayatollah go, last mega. You will see that each surah of the Quran is as Surah 9 begin with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah Shimya number on it. Asad Pipati, so be do. Quran Surah Asari of that Habari. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Rasitaman of Pito Mure. So long, was from Budoga, Pay Jaro Mure. Tagaro, Maruriga Sati Dine, Pay Logo, so common to Sati of this way. Bismillah Sayame. Gero Aruriga, Bismillah Sati, we love me, so Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will increase the good in that work and bless it. For Lodi Baba, Allah. Chimu Topana Paune, Allah Smia, Chidu Chimi Pudinaro Muma Chipare. We must say, Bismillah, before making the wudu, before the drinking water, upon opening the door of our house, upon closing it, before we sleep, before sitting or standing, before putting on our clothes or shoes, upon leaving our house, and upon getting in the car or on the bus. Janaruriga Soti, Bismillah Sudas logo, before Matangi Nega, Uzulota Matangi, Yitauta Matangi, the Ga, a Quiggy, Ga, a Quiggy. Janaro, I is a Kijin. I did a pillow with Jane, party with pillow with Jane. Janaro, we started it with a Chutagasa, a Lokinima, and a Sida, and a Chuta, a Loki Inima, a Lego, a winner, a Lego twat. Tarego, when 20 in Auroriga, Bismillah, so as a logo, Saturday, just so ya made game of that harmony. We should also say it before we start eating, but if we forget to say it at the beginning, then we must say what we remember. In short, we must make a habit of saying Bismillah before we start to eating. Tamim Sagi Jima, Bismillah Suami. The yellow Tamim Sari Jima, မေ့သွားမယ်ဆိုရင်ရော Bismillah awwalahu wa akhiru ဒါလေးတွေကိုကျွန်တော်တို့ကကြည့်ဆိုရမယ် Bismillah ဆိုတဲ့စကားလုံးကိုဘာလို့ကိုပဲလုပ်တဲ့အခါမှာ habit လေးထားနေတဲ့မလုပ်ခင်တိုင်းမှာမစတင်တိုင်းမှာကျွန်တော်တို့ကကြည့်ဆိုပေးမှာ Say Bismillah as a great virtue ဒီ Bismillah လို့ဆိုလိုက်ခြင်းကကျွန်တော်တို့က great virtues ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ရဲ့ကောင်းပုံတဲ့အလေးထားတွေကျွန်တော်တို့ပုံမှာကောင်းခြင်းတွေတက်ရောက်လာဖို့အတွက်ပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီတော့ဒီနေ့ in the name of Allah Bismillah ဆိုတဲ့စကားလုံးမှာ question to answer ဖြေစရာလေးတွေရှိတယ် Why should you say that Bismillah before you start doing anything? You will answer that. Can you think of other things that you should start doing with Bismillah? စဉ်းစားတင်လားအခြားအရာတွေ that you should start doing with Bismillah. Bismillah နဲ့တူလုပ်တဲ့ပုံမှာစတင်တဲ့ပုံမှာ that you should စဉ်းစားတင်စတင်တယ်လား Can you think of other thing အခြားအရာတွေဒါလေးကိုဒါတို့တတိယကဖြေချပေးပါ Follow the following picture. Remember to say the Bismillah before you start. Thus you will be tolerant and you will be writing Bismillah. So that today our lesson is finished. So see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.